Today, a new BJP leader has made a statement saying that regional parties are very small. My Tipra Motha is a very small party which will not survive for very long, and a constitutional demand for Greater Tipra land will never happen. So I guess if this is the official position of BJP, then they're a very big party. Of course, they're the richest party in India. They have a much bigger, stronger organizational strength than us. That's what they claim. We are a small regional party, chota party hai hum log. But if BJP is such a big party in Tripura, I think they should prepare to fight in all the 60 seats after today's statement. And we will fight in 30 to 35 seats ourselves. And let us see who wins in the end. All I want to say is that, arrogance leads to the downfall of the high and mighty. We may be a small regional player, but let me tell you one thing. We are not corrupt, we are not here to compromise, and we are not going to let BJP have it their way. If they are ready to fight on their own, well, Tipra Motha will answer them on the ground, and I don't think after such statements there is a possibility of alliance in the future.